Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Brilliant Botany by Chaitanya Reddy. Hope you are all staying in home to stay safe. Okay, today let us focus on some of the neat questions that comes from chapter 3, that is in human reproduction. So here is the first question. If for some reason the vasa afferentia in the human reproductive system get blocked, the gametes will not be transported from option A epididymis to vasa deferens, option B ovaries to uterus, option C vagina to uterus, and option D testes to epididymis. See, vasa efferentia are 10 to 20 tubules which connect the rete testis with an epididymis, and this epididymis is also called as ductus epididymis. Okay, so epididymis is a pair of ducts from each testis which is formed by union of its vasa efferentia. So if the efferentia get blocked, the sperms will not be transported from testis to the epididymis. Yes, the testes in humans are situated outside the abdominal cavity inside a pouch called as scrotum. The purpose is served for escaping any possible compression by the visceral organs. Option B, providing more space for the growth of epididymis. Option C, providing a secondary sexual feature for exhibiting the male sex. And option D, maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature. So answer is option D. See, the testes in humans are situated outside the abdominal cavity, that is in the scrotal sacs. So this is because the temperature of the scrotal sac is 25 degrees Celsius, and which is less than the internal body temperature. Hence here the answer is option D, maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature. Okay, the main function of the fimbriae of the fallopian tube in females is to option A, release to ovum from the Graafian follicle. Option B, make necessary changes in the endometrium for the implantation. Option C, help in the development of corpus luteum. Option D, help in the collection of the ovum after ovulation. And option E, help in the development of the ovary. Answer is option D, help in the collection of the ovum after ovulation. The part of the fallopian tube or oviducts closer to the ovary is the funnel-shaped infundibulum. The edges of the infundibulum possess a finger-like projections called as fimbriae. This fimbriae helps in the collection of ovum after ovulation. Yes, Saheli is a oral contraceptive for females. Option B, surgical sterilization method for females. Option D, diaphragm for females. And option D, surgical method for sterilization in males. Answer is oral contraceptive for females. See, Saheli is a new oral contraceptive for females, and it contains non-steroidal preparation, and it is once a week pill with very low side effects and high contraceptive value. Okay, capacitation of sperm in mammals involves option A, sperm size change, option B, acrosome reaction, option C, nuclear chromatin change, option D, mitochondrial alignment. See, sperm capacitation is the aquatization of the capacity to penetrate an ovum, and it is not present at the time of delivery of the spermatozoon, and it requires a period of incubation in the female tract. So it involves increased metabolic activity and motility, and also the removal of chemical decapacitation factor from the spermatozoon. So capacitation must take place for the acrosome reaction to occur. Hence here the answer is option B, acrosome reaction. Human sperm cells move by means of option A, cilium, option B, flagellum, option C, basal body, and option D, hair. Answer is option B, flagellum. A sperm cells, its flagellum, commonly referred to as a tail, and to propel itself towards female oocyte or egg. So the flagellum is the longest part of the 25 micrometer of the cell, and surprisingly it requires only 2 into 10 to the power of minus 18 watts of power to propel it. How many sperm cells are present in an average ejaculation. Average ejaculation means it's 3 ml. Okay, so option A 200 million, option B 300 million, option C 400 million, and option D 500 million. Answer is option B 300 millions. Okay, ejaculation or seminal emission is the forceful expulsion of a semen during sexual intercourse. On an average of 3 ml, ejaculation of a semen contains around 3 million spermatozoons in it. Corpus luteum secretes option A progesterone, option B estrogen, option C luteinizing hormone, and option D follicle stimulating hormone. Answer is option A progesterone. Okay. Yes, corpus luteum. It is a temporary endocrine gland of ovaries of elasmobranch birds and as well as mammals. So in mammals, it develops from the ruptured Graafian follicle and produce progesterone hormone. And this progesterone is responsible for maintenance of uterine endometrium until the menstruation and also during pregnancy. Okay, the extraembryonic membranes of mammalian embryo are derived from option A trophoblast, option B follicle cells, option C formative cells, and option D inner cell mass. So answer is option A trophoblast. Let's see. See, extraembryonic membranes of mammalian embryo or fetal membranes are derived from the trophoblast. See, trophoblast is an epithelium surrounding the mammalian blastocyst. Okay, so these membranes are yolk sac, amnion, chorion, and allantois. So they help in the respiration, nutrition, excretion, and as well as protection. Yes, which hormone is secreted in a human if pregnancy has occurred? Option A estrogen, option B progesterone, option C luteinizing hormone, and option D chorionic gonadotrophin. Here the answer is option D chorionic gonadotrophin hormone. If fertilization occurs and the fetus is implanted in the endometrium, the trophoblast cells of the developing placenta secretes a hormone which is called as human chorionic gonadotrophin hormone, and it's also called as HCG hormone. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Also never miss an update from me. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.